In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy the Reeds Academic Analytics dashboard. And here I am at the Reeds menu. And I don't want to be here. I want to be in my Google Drive, So you want to be in your district's Google Drive. So I'm going to jump to Gmail. And I'm going to sign into my personal account. You'll be signing into your school account. And go to Google Drive. And double click on Reeds Analytics. And here's your Reeds academic form that you copied in another video. Now hopefully you've entered some data into this form. If you haven't, you need to go enter some data now. But as long as you have some data in here, we can copy the analytics dashboard. And you'll see there's two responses here right now. So I can look at these responses. They have these mediocre graphs, but I entered one response for one entry for Billy and one entry for Cindy. And I did one for math and one for science. Anyway, so I've got two responses. And now what I want to do is I want to link it to a spreadsheet. Has to be linked to a spreadsheet in order to work in Google Data Studio. So now I've got my spreadsheet. And if I go back to my drive, I can see, oh, it's not here yet. I'll reload my screen. And here's my Reeds academic form. The little green icon means it's a spreadsheet. And so here's that spreadsheet. And once it's linked to the form, the data just goes in automatically. You don't have to mess with it at all. One of the nice features here. Anyway, in order to copy the academic analytics, we have to open that report in the demo. So I'm going to click Academic Analytics here. And the demo version of the analytics report is going to appear. And I'm going to go up to these three dots and I'm going to click Make a Copy. And now it's going to give me this little box, and I need to tell it where it's going to get the data for this report. And I'm going to click Create Data Source. I'm going to click Google Sheets. And I'm going to click the very top one. The top one is the most recent spreadsheet you've opened, and that needs to be that Reeds academic form. So I click that. I make sure these two boxes are checked, and this box is not checked. I click Connect. And now it's going to show me all the fields that are going into the report. And I'm going to click Add to Report. Now, I don't know why, but it keeps bringing me back to this box. I just pick Reeds Academic Form one more time, and I click Copy Report. If your screen comes up and it doesn't have Reeds Academic Form there, hit Reload your screen. Click this Reload button, and then do all those steps again. Okay, and then it'll appear, and then you can click Copy Report. I think the reason why there's a delay is that we're going faster than Google can keep up with us. Anyway, the first screen, let's go to View here. So now we've got a copy of our report. Oh, excuse me, before we go to View, we got to rename this report. So I'm going to rename it Reeds Student Academic Skills Analytics. And please name your report the same name so that in the next video you won't get confused. Keep it the same name. You can rename it later once you've got some experience under your belt. Anyway, let's view the report. And here's our report, and the summary screen is not working. And the summary screen is not going to work until you copy the calculated fields. But every other screen will work just fine. And I want to show you, for some of these, I clicked the checkbox for Not Assessed. So instead of clicking Consistently, Frequently, or one of those, I didn't assess that for the student, so I clicked Not Assessed. So if it's not assessed, there is no data. And one of the things that's cool about this report is that the not assessed data doesn't interfere with data that has been assessed. So a not assessed won't contribute any data to this rating of frequently right here. Anyway, I digress. Summary screen isn't working yet. It will be as soon as you enter the calculated fields. Last step is to go up here and click Get Report Link, copy this link, email it to your colleagues, and then you're done. I hope this was easy for you. I hope you didn't have a problem, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.